Today I'm going to introduce you to how to get free Google Career Certificate. Stick with me to the end of the video recording. So you Google Career Certificates. So we can see flexible online training programs designed to earn job ready skills in high growth career such as data analytics, digital marketing, e-commerce, IT support, project management, and UX design, available in coursera.org. No relevant experience degree required. So I just saw an update in my browser. Get qualified in demand jobs with Google Career Certificates. So I'll take you through. We said no experience needed. You learn at your own pace. The course is 100% online. Then you will be able to stand out to your employees because you will make your CV competitive with Google Career Certificates. We can see Google is providing 150,000 scholarship slots. So I'll take you through how to earn a certificate in high growth career, and we'll go in data analytics. So we'll cover the first one is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. We can say you will be enrolled for free in 6 months time, unless you are under every week under 10 hours study a week. You will be able to achieve the certificate. In the program, you will learn in demand skills that will have you job ready in the next 6 months. So we can see there are different you will be learning through videos that have subtitles in English, and you can begin at beginner level. This is just in case you have no prior experience, no degree, and at the end of it, you will be able to earn credits to acquire you a scholarship to do a bachelor's in applied art and science in data data analytics science. So we see you will once you enroll in the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, you will learn how to process and analyze data, use key analysis tools, apply R programming, and create visualization that can inform key business decisions. We can say once you have the enough adequate skills in data analytics in data provided by Data Analytics Professional Certificate, you will be exposed to 493,000 US job openings in data analytics, and each job the medium is being paid $89,000 US. The common job titles that you will earn or you will be able to apply for job titles is like data analytics, associated data analytics, or business analytics. The direct skills that you'll be able to gain is the spreadsheet, data cleansing, data analysis, data visualization, SQL, questioning, decision making, problem solving, metadata, data collection, data ethics, sample size determination. You will get professional trained by Google and have opportunities to connect with top employees. Thank you for sticking with me. Once you learn data analytics is a collection, transformation, and organization in data in order to draw conclusion and make decisions and driven information decision making. So I'm sure enroll in Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. You'll just need you will get your Google Career Professional Certificate for free. Thank you.